5. 4. 3. 1.
Hi, my name is Casey. Welcome to the Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you need to know about 6th graders. Today, my special guest is Annalise, who will be talking to us about the time she pranked her grandparents. Welcome, Annalise. Also joining us is our live studio audience from Rockaway Park, Queens. It's class 604. Welcome. So, Annalise, we heard you have a story to tell us today.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you the story about how I pranked my grandparents. We were going up to Pennsylvania and decided to take the bikes out of our car. When we took them out, we put a little water on ourselves to make it look like we were sweaty. We rode the rest of the 10-minute drive up to my grandparents' house. My grandmother was sitting outside planting her plants, and we said we ran away from home and decided to come here where we had family. We decided that we would tell her that our parents were yelling at us, so we jumped off our deck and got out our bikes and rode to Pennsylvania.
Interesting. Well, what were your grandparents' reactions when you told them you biked that far?
Well, they were shocked. They couldn't believe that we actually ran away.
Well, did they believe you at first?
They only believed us for a couple of seconds. Then they realized that my brother already has a hard time biking to begin with.
Well, for the short period of time that they believed you, what were their facial expressions? What did they look like?
Well, their eyes widened and their mouths dropped. They were confused and couldn't believe it. They wondered if our parents actually knew that we ran away.
Well, I think we have a question from the audience.
Did you plan the prank at home or did you plan it on your way to Pennsylvania?
On our way, we were bored in the car and decided that it would be a good idea to do something fun.
Well, for our final question of the day, how old were you when you pulled the prank?
I was 9, turning 10 the next day, actually. Going away was supposed to be a birthday present. When we were leaving, we decided that this will be my birthday present and we'll go out to dinner and have some fun.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please join us next time on the Notes from the 6th grade. I'm Casey. Goodbye for now. No.